Bonjour, it's Marianne Lecoeur, and in this video today I am going to show you how you can wear a scarf if you have a short and wide neck. If you are new to my channel, a big welcome to you, and please subscribe and click on the little bell in order to receive notifications. Thank you. Some of you in the community have asked me, Marianne, how can we wear scarves? How can we tie scarves in a flattering manner when we have a short and wide neck? In a previous video, I mentioned the long, lean and vertical visual concept. And this is what we have to keep in mind today with tying the scarves if you have a short and wide neck. So this visual concept entails that you think about a vertical line, and this works very well if you have a short and wide neck, because by attracting the eye in a vertical manner, the neck will appear narrow and slimmer, because the eye will not be drawn in a horizontal manner but vertically. Okay, I will demonstrate to you now. You may have seen me in some of my videos where this scarf tied tightly around my neck, and you could see when I wear this scarf the eye is drawn in a horizontal manner across my neck, and of course this has a visual effect of widening my neck, but it works for me because my neck is narrow and long. So for you, what you have to do is do the opposite of this, of course. So I mentioned the vertical effect. Okay, so let's take this long scarf. For you, you need to think about a long scarf, much more than those square ones, unless they are long. And of course, when they are long, square, you can make them into long vertical lines. So longer, the better. It is a very simple concept, very simple technique. Think vertically, so wear your scarf in front like this, and you can make just a tie like this in front. Okay, so of course the knot is up to you. You can make it a bit longer. It depends on also on the size of your bust, because if you put it maybe just as a size of your bust like this, it could have a widening effect. So think of it a bit lower, probably. You can also make it like this and make another knot, but not tight around the neck. Bring it down a bit. Okay, bring it down a bit so that the eye is drawn down. Never wear a scarf that is like this tight around the neck. Again, this has the widening effect, you see? Okay, horizontal. Bring it down a bit and put the knot a little bit lower. Okay, like this. And you can see also that I'm wearing a V-neck sweater. Of course, this lengthens and visually slims the neckline. Think of that. Do not wear any neckline that is high up, that is, and tight around the neck, like a turtleneck, for instance, because that will shorten the neck visually. Okay, so we have seen this one in front of the body with one simple knot, as simple as this. Bring things down. Another thing that you could do to slim visually your neckline, not just with scarves but also with earrings. Think of vertical earrings. Vertical pendant earrings. Okay, this will add some vertical line towards your neck, slim the neck, narrow the neck, lengthen the neck. Okay, another thing also is to have your scarf with long lines, long stripes. So when you put it on, of course those long stripes will visually lengthen your neckline and your upper torso as well. Another way to wear your scarf to visually lengthen your neck is also to have it in a dark color. As we know, dark is receding. So if you wear something in black, it will visually lengthen your neck. I have this square scarf here that has those stripes. Of course, when you fold it into a triangle, and again make it into a long scarf like this. You see, if you wear something like this around your neck, you have those stripes. So those stripes are visually lengthening. Okay, but you would not wear it tall around your neck, but wear it to the side and like this. So you have the stripes, visually lengthening and slimming the neckline a little bit, bring it to the side a little bit like this, and like that. So the eye is drawn this way as opposed to this way. So I hope you understand the concept. So, please make plenty of notes in your style journal about, the various scarves that you have. The concept that I explained in this video. Try things on in front of your mirror. Have a look, even take photos if you can't really see it like this, and step back a little bit. Have a look where your eye is drawn to. Is your eye drawn towards, the width of your neck or the length? Okay? So again, think and keep in your mind the visually lengthening concept. Okay? Long, lean, vertical. Everything that draws the eye down a little bit. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and if you found this concept really helpful. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir.